This is the brief on mastering your Mac without the tech jargon. Alan DeCaser's human-centered book, Mac Basics, reveals that feeling overwhelmed by your computer isn't about a lack of technical skill, but simply a matter of removing hidden friction to make your digital space work for you. So, first, let's shift your workspace mindset. You know how the Mac interface sometimes looks kind of empty? Well, it's intentionally clean, not lacking features. You've got to treat your Mac desktop like a physical desk. It is a temporary workspace for what you are currently doing, not a permanent storage unit for all your files. And that dock at the bottom, you should customize it only for the tools you actively use. Second, let's build on that workspace concept and figure out where your files actually belong. Think of Finder as the structural blueprint of your digital house. But here's the thing. Why waste time guessing and digging through folders when the system can just hand the file to you? Seriously, using Spotlight Search instantly shifts you from a frustrating navigation mode right into an effortless retrieval mode. Finally, let's connect this organized system to your focus and flow. Okay, we really have to clear up a major point of beginner friction here. Clicking that little red button only closes a window. It does not quit the app, which just stays running in the background. True speed and focus actually come from getting comfortable with simple trackpad gestures and intentional clicks, rather than rushing around or trying to memorize complex shortcuts. Ultimately, mastering your Mac isn't about memorizing advanced features, but clearing out the digital clutter and friction so you can simply trust your system.